Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to program a professional home page system including session management and dynamic product listing using PHP, MySQL, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. Now this is not just a UI design tutorial. Today we are implementing proper session management, secure authentication validation, role-based navigation, dynamic product fetching from database, review count and average rating calculation, featured testimonials, platform statistics, and relational database architecture. This is real-world architecture, not beginner demo code. By the end of this video, you will understand how a professional home page system actually works behind the skin. Session Management Architecture. At the very top of header.php, we write session start. This line is extremely important. What this does? If a session already exists, it resumes it. If no session exists, it creates one. Without this line, you cannot access $sign session. Next, we validate authentication. If not is set $sign session logged in or $sign session logged in not equal true, require once process auth check.php. What this means? If the user is not properly authenticated, we trigger an additional authentication validation script. This prevents manual URL access, session tampering, and unauthorized dashboard access. This is a security layer. Safe session extraction. Instead of directly using $sign session anywhere, we do this. Why? Because this prevents undefined index zonings, application crashes, and unstable UI behavior. This is called defensive programming. Role-based navigation system. Now we dynamically control the navigation bar. We check if logged in. If the user is logged in, we show notifications, messages, profile drop-down, dashboard link. If not logged in, we show sign in and join buttons. Buyer versus seller logic. Instead navigation, if $sign user role equal buyer. If buyer, show learn in section, direct to buyer dashboard.php. If seller, redirect to seller dashboard.php. This ensures buyers cannot access seller tools, seller cannot access buyer tools. This makes your system scalable and secure. Database structure. Before we fetch anything, let's understand the database architecture. I updated the database and added 4 core tables: product, feedback, order, and user profile. Product table stores ID, seller ID, price, title, description, price, image URL, created date and updated date. This is the core marketplace table. Feedback table we stores ID, user ID, product ID, ratings, messages, is featured, created date and updated date. Order table we stores ID, user ID, product ID, total amount, status, created date and updated date. This allows revenue calculation, transaction tracking, and platform statistics. Now this is not just a listing site, this is a transaction system. User profile table separates profile data from authentication data. We store user ID and avatar URL. This allows database normalization principles. This is how large applications are structured. Dynamic product listing system. Now we move the home.php. We fetch product using database search query. Let's break down the SQL logic. Join user table. Join user u on p.seller id equal u.id. This connect each product with its seller. Left join feedback. Left join feedback f on p.id equal f.product id. Why left join? Because even if a product has no reviews, we still want to display it. If we used inner join, product without review would disappear. Count review. Count f.id as review count. Calculates total reviews per product. Average rating. Calls avg f.rating 0 as avg rating. AVG returns null if no review exists. Calls convert null 0. Prevent broken UI. Group by p.id because we use count and AVG. We must group by product ID. Otherwise, MySQL throws an error. Platform statistics system. We calculate total users, total products, average rating and total revenue. Example, select count ID from user. The format number format $sign total users. Revenue divided by 1 million for cleaner display. This gives a professional dashboard feel. Component-based architecture. We separated header.php, home.php and footer.php. This is component-based layout architecture. Benefits: reusable structure, clean code, easy maintenance and scalable system. Large applications always use this pattern. Final summary. So now this homepage system includes secure session management, authentication validation, role-based navigation, relational database design, dynamic product listing, review and rating system, feature testimonials, revenue and statistic calculation, and component-based architecture. This is not a beginner level anymore. This is production ready thinking. If you understood this architecture, you are no longer building demo project. You are building systems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials from DV Codex. See you next video.